let's come back to our topic, which is the fees structure for doing CA in India. Okay, so if I bifurcate the fees, then I can bifurcate it into three segments. One is registration fees, second is examination fees, and third is late fees. So let's first talk about the CA Foundation. So when you will register yourself for CA Foundation, then you have to pay a registration fees of 9800. Okay, and when you will go for the exam, then you have to pay the examination fees of 1500. So in total, if I say, then 11,300 rupees you have to pay for your CA Foundation. So let's talk about CA Intermediate. Okay, and in CA Intermediate you have two groups. Now you have two options, that either you can register yourself for individual groups, or you can go for the registration of both the groups. Okay, so it depends upon you which way you want to take. Now if you go for the registration for single group, then you have to pay 13,000 rupees. Okay, now 13,000 rupees includes 2,000 for students activity, which you have to pay only once. That is when you will register yourself for other group, then you have to only pay 11,000. Okay, and if you want to take up for the registration of both the groups, then you have to pay 18,000 rupees. Now let's talk about the examination fees. So if you want to go for the single group exam, then you have to pay 1,500 for each group, and if you want to give your exam for both the groups at the same time, then you have to pay 2,700 rupees. And if you fail to submit your examination fees in the desired timeline, then you have to pay a late fees of rupees 600. Let's talk about CA Final. So in CA Final also you have two groups, but the option of registration for individual groups is not available this time. You have to register yourself for both the groups at the same time. For that, registration fees would be 22,000. So let's talk about the examination fees for CA Final. So now you have two options. Okay, either you can give exams for the individual subject, or you can go for both the groups at the same time. Now if you opt for giving exam for one group, then you have to pay 1,800 each for each group. Okay, and if you want to go for both the groups at the same time, then you have to pay an examination fees of 3,300. And if you fail to pay the examination fees in the desired time, then you have to pay a late fees of rupees 600. Let's talk about articleship registration fees. So if you will go for articleship registration, then the fees would be 2,000. Now let's talk about the IT and soft skill course. So when you are doing your IT and soft skill course while you are in CA Intermediate, then there are two steps. Okay, one is IT, and then second is orientation. So for IT, which is of 15 days, you have to pay a fees of rupees 6,500, and when you will do your orientation, which is again of 15 days, you have to pay a fees of 7,000. And if I talk about the advanced course on IT and soft skill, then again it includes two things. First is IT, okay, information technology, and second is MCS. So for advanced IT, which is of 15 days, you have to pay 7,500, and for MCS, which is again for 15 days, you have to pay 7,000 rupees. So now this is the structure, okay, which I just told you. So this is the total fees structure, okay. But this fees is based on when you clear your CA in first attempt. Okay, but if you will take multiple attempts, then of course you have to pay the extra examination fees each time whenever you appear for exam. Okay, so you have to add on that amount. So this is the fees which you have to pay to ICI. Okay, but this do not include coaching fees and ICI do not provide coaching. Okay, first of all, you have to take coaching from outside. Now if you're someone who will do self-study throughout his CA education, then of course this would be the estimate of your total cost during your CA journey. But if you're someone who will go for the coaching, which I would say more than 90 or 95% do, then you have to pay extra, which is much more than this total cost which I just told you. So if you go for the coaching, of course you have to take it from the private tutors. Okay, you can either go for face-to-face class or virtual class or recorded class or an online learning platform like Unacademy, which I just told you. This is also an option. So if you go for the coaching, of course different teachers would charge different amount from you, depends upon how popular they are, how student satisfaction is there. So it depends upon that. It could not be like, I can't tell you the exact amount that this is what you have to spend for your coaching. So here I want to tell you something, that so many students go for the coaching for selective subjects which they think they could not do themselves. And if they think that they can do self-study, then they of course don't go for the coaching for those subjects. So that you have to think, okay, which is your which is, in which subject you are strong, in which subject you are weak. You have to of course take an assessment, you have to assess yourself. So like I can really give you an idea, because the fees could really vary from teachers to teachers. So if I talk about myself, okay, so when I was in CA Foundation, I had to give the fees of 10,000 for all the 4 subjects, okay. And when I was in CA Intermediate, so if I give you a rough idea, then the fees could vary from 5,000 to 15 or even 20,000, depends upon which coaching class we are going for. And in CA final, the range of course get increased, because CA final is a higher level, okay. So in this the fees could start from 10,000 to even 25,000. I have also seen that. So it depends, okay. And the whatever the fees I have just told you, it is for per subject, not for whole level, not for whole CA Intermediate or not for whole CA final. So you have to see that from which teacher you want to take the class, and either you want to take class or not, and you want to just do self-study. Okay, so this is the estimate which you have to pay to ICAI for your CA course, okay, which do not include your coaching fees. Now, it is less than 1 lakh, okay, less than 1 lakh. And let me tell you that it is the cheapest course in India. Yes, it is the cheapest course in India in terms of how much fees you pay to the institute. Because if you'll go for MBA or MBBS, my god, the fees is in lakhs, and in CA it is not even lakh. So that is how it is one of the cheapest course in India, which do not take much money from you. But of course you have to do so much hard work, because as I said earlier also कि CA में पैसे नहीं जाते लेकिन जवानी चली जाती है, तो वो चीज़ आपको सोचनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है. Now this is the total cost, okay, and let me tell you, इससे सस्ता नहीं मिलेगा. But again मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा जाएगी, तो वो आपको डिसाइड करना है कि आप पैसे देखना चाहते हो, आप मेहनत देखना चाहते हो. So it's your approach for which course you want to go. If you want to go an expensive course, then maybe the hard work would not be that much. And if you go for a course like CA where the fees is not that much, of course for some families this fees would also be really high, but it's very much less as compared to other courses. Okay, so yeah, this is the information which I wanted to share, so think about it, okay. And I was receiving so many requests from students to share this information. So finally I shared the same. So if you find this video helpful, then do not hesitate to share this video with all your friends, whoever wants to gain this information, okay. So don't hesitate to share with them. And yeah, I will come up with so many good videos in the coming future, and I need your support at every stage, at every time, and keep supporting me like this, guys. It really means a lot to me, okay. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.